Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy TikTok coins using your MasterCard or your debit card. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, someone would ask, why would you need a TikTok coins? Why would you need to buy TikTok coins? The major reasons why you need TikTok coins, among other reasons, is number one, to run sponsored ads with. Yes, you need TikTok coins to run sponsored ads with. So what you do, you buy TikTok coins with your Naira card or your MasterCard or wherever you are with your currency. Now, once you've obtained the coin, the TikTok coins, then you use that TikTok coins to pay for the ads. Unlike running Facebook sponsored ads where you can fund your ad account with your debit card, then from your ad account you can pay for the sponsored ads. But on TikTok you have to buy the TikTok coins, then use that coins to pay for the sponsored ads. So that is one important reason why you need these TikTok coins. So you see, you can't run sponsored ads without these TikTok coins. So it is very important. The second reason is to either give or receive gifts. When you're running live streams, you can give your followers gifts with your coins. When you hear people say, follow my gifters, follow my gifters, these gifters they are talking about can only send gifts with their TikTok coins. So they must have bought, funded their account with some coins. Okay. So now these are the major reasons why you need the TikTok coins. Now, how do you get these coins? So that is the purpose of this video, to learn how to fund your account, how to buy coins with your card. Now, if you have an iPhone, it's quite different from when you have an Android device. So I will teach you how to use your iPhone and how to use your Android device to get this coin. Using an iPhone is not as straightforward as using an Android device. So if you have an iPhone and Apple, what you do, you can either use the Apple iTunes, or you can also use your card, your debit card. Now, if you're using the iTunes, what you need to do is to fund your Apple Store with your gift card. So you get gift cards anywhere you can. You go to your app store, you click on your profile, you see redeem gift card. So you just click on that, you enter the gift card pin. Once you've redeemed that gift card, if it's $25, $50, $100 gift card, you can now use that amount, that your Apple Store, the money on your app store, to pay for the coins that's in-app payment on TikTok. So it's very simple, it's easy. But the issue now is getting the gift card. How would you get gift cards? If you can't get gift cards out there, how will you pay for these coins? That's the second method. Now, while you're using an iPhone, you can also use your debit card. Just go open TikTok. While you're paying for the coins, they will request for your debit card details. So we'll go to the screen very shortly. I'll show you how to buy this coin. Now, the second method is using the Android device through the Google Play Store. Now, that is very straightforward. I have an Apple device, I have an iPhone, but what I prefer to use is the Android. So what I will advise those that are using iPhone as well is to have an Android device. It could be any device, it could even be a tab. So if you have an Android device alongside, you can use that Android device to buy your coins. Then you can go back to your iPhone to run sponsored ads, because using Android device is very straightforward. It's simple and straightforward, and you don't need to go get some gift cards, some iTunes cards to buy these coins. And using your card on iTunes, it can be rejected, it can be declined as well. So it's quite stressful. It comes with its own kind of troubles as well. Okay, but for Android devices, it's very easy, it's straightforward. So if you can get an Android device to buy your coins without any hitch, it's fine. Then you can go back to iPhone to run the sponsored ads. Okay, so I have two devices. I have the iPhone where I have my TikTok. I also logged it in on an Android device where where I buy the coins. Now, how do you get coins using Android device? So what you need to do is to first add your payment method on your Google Play Store. Then when you've done that, you can head on to TikTok. While you want to make payment, you can now use the payment method which you added to your Google Play Store to make payment for the coins. So let's go straight to Google Play Store. Let me show you how to add your payment method, how to add your card. Then when we're done with that, we can head on to TikTok. Let me show you how to buy the coins. Okay, these are Android device. So let's head on to Google Play Store. Let's learn how to add our card details to our Google Play Store. It is very simple. So let's head on to Play Store. This is Play Store right here. You click on it to open. Now, once it's open, you click on your profile. At the top right corner, you see your profile. You can have an image there. You might not have an image, depending on if you uploaded any picture on it. So just click on the profile picture to open your profile. Now, once it's open, you see payment and subscriptions. You click on payment and subscriptions. Now, the first option right there is payment method. You click on it to open the payment method. If you have any listed payment method already, you see it right there. You see the list. If you don't have any payment method added, it will be empty, but that's not a problem at all. Now, just below that, you see add credit or debit card. So you click on add credit or debit card to add your card details. Now, once it's open, you enter the card number, the 11 or 16 digits. I don't know how many digits. Just enter the long digits number on your card. Then you enter the expiry dates, the month and the year. Then the security code is your CVV. You enter your CVV. Once you've entered these details, you click on save card. That is all. That is all, guys. That is how to add your card details to your Google Play Store. It is very simple. Now, once you've done that, it is successfully added. What you need to do is to head on to TikTok. Let's go get the coins. Now, before you head on to TikTok, make sure you have some money on your account. This particular card which you've added to your Play Store, make sure you have some money on the account which you are going to use to buy these coins with. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's head on to TikTok to get these coins. Okay, so here we are on TikTok. Let's learn how to get the TikTok coins. Now, once you've opened your TikTok, you click on the profile. I'm on my profile already. So once you are on your profile page, what you need to do is to click on the menu bar at the top right corner. You see this 3 bar right here? You click on it. Now, once you click on it, you see this drop down menu. These options will open. Now, once it's open, you click on balance. You click on balance. Now you see the balance details of your TikTok. If you have some coins left, you see the amount of coins you have left. I have 54 coins left. If you have any other currencies, you see right there. If you have some dollars, you see it right there. Now, if you want to get coins, you want to buy coins on TikTok, what you need to do is to click on get coins. You see get coins just beside the balance I have right there. You click on get coins. So you see here are the different options. You see 5 coins is worth 125 naira, 10 coins is 250 naira, 20 coins is 500 naira. So if you're in Ghana, you check to know how much each coin is worth. If you're in Cameroon, if you are in Kenya, wherever you are, just check to know how much it costs. Okay, so just click on any option you can afford right here. If it's the 130, if it's the 420, if it's the 840, click on any one you can afford. You can see the naira equivalent right there. Likewise, you see the Ghana cedis equivalent, you see the CFA equivalent, depending on your currency. Okay, so let me go with this 35 just for illustration. Then once you click on it, you click on recharge. Then it should request for your payment method and your details. Now you see right there, I am to spend 3,500 naira for these 139 coins. Now you see my payment method here. This card is here because we added it to our Play Store. If we didn't add our payment method, our card on our Play Store, it won't reflect here at all. Okay, so what you do, you click on this. So after you click on buy, you enter your password. So let me enter my password here. After entering your password, you click on verify. Now, please take note that the password you are entering is not your TikTok password. It's not the password to your TikTok account. It is the password to your Google Play Store, which is your Gmail account. Now, remember, your Google Play Store functions with your Gmail account. So if you've logged in your email, your Gmail account, that's what you use to run your Google Play Store. So whatever password your Gmail is, that's what you are going to enter here, not your TikTok account password. Okay, that is very important. Please take note. Now you see that the payment is completed. It is that simple. The payment is completed. So once you click on that card, you enter your password, it's done. It's completed. Now let's go back and check if the coins will reflect in our wallet, in our balance. So once it's completed, you go back. Now you see our balance now is 193. You can see it right there. 193. Let's refresh this page. You see 193 coins. Now we have coins to run our sponsored ads. We have coins to gift anybody who wants to send gifts to. Okay, but the purpose of this class is for sponsored ads, and that is why we are getting these coins. So in our next class, we are going to learn how to now run sponsored ads and the different type of sponsored ads we have on TikTok, and step by step on how to run a profitable sponsored ads that would convert. So to confirm your balance, you can go back to your profile. You click on this menu again. Now, once the menu is open, you can click on balance to see your balance. And here you go, 193 coins. We're having about 54 coins before. Now we have 193. It is that simple. It is very simple. It's straightforward. So that is how you get coins using an Android device. So after getting your coins, the next step is to run sponsored ads, and that's what we're going to deal with in our next class. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video so it will reach out to as many people out there that needs this content just as you do. Then you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post our next latest educational video. Thank you very much for this video. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. I'll see you in the next video. Bless.